Oh, wait.
Hey.
I didn't teach him that.
There's still a pulse.
Are you serious?
We'll be asking the questions, old man. Who are you?
You.
No, not me, you.
Yes, I am you.
Just answer the damn questions. Who are you?
I have told you.
Oh, no.
I don't believe it.
I'm coming to London. Heavy.
I'ma blow up. Oh, the good girls, they go to have fun, but the bad girls, they get backstage. Oh, the good girls, they go to have fun, but the bad girls, they get backstage.
What is wrong with you? Stop it! Cut it out, man! I don't want this. Oh, what is happening? Why would you do this? I can't even.
I am punching your son!
You can do anything if you believe in yourself.
You are Mr. Smith.
Hello, Neil.
Do you know where you are right now?
I'm in a drug trial.
I hate video games because this is what it does. It appeals to, like, the male fantasy.
Ethan, can you please help me?
Absolutely not.
You want to know how I got these scars?
What's that behind your ear? It's a hearing aid!
What?
Oh, no, no. What does Marcellus Wallace look like?
She turned into a big bear. My Aldrin tried to dare in. If that's not pure mess, I don't know what is.
English, motherfucker, do you speak it?
Injury.
Oh!
무기짱? どうした? 무기짱가. 무기?
I double dare you. Kiss me now.
Do it! Just do it!
It's murder.
Captain, do you know where Thor and Banner are right now?
I never wear cutoffs. How do I keep waking up in cutoffs?
Normal pants going in.
It's like that video. What
Yeah. Oh, you mean like those UFOs over Phoenix?
Oh, good afternoon.
Ukuba uphinde wakuxukumisa ndakuqoma apha kwesisihlalo.
We can't understand her. She's from the other studio. Ah.
Molly, call her Dolly on that Molly. Yeah.
I don't know, it's still kind of hazy.
How about this?
Yeah, I remember him. I used to see him around. Why do you want to know?
I can't tell you that.
Well, maybe this'll help.
I really don't think I should.
Can you believe that? Perhaps even, let's compare it to the size of my head. Andre, that...
Special guest director, Quentin Tarantino.
One final tick of the clock remains.
They do have a timeout. Make it. Try not to use it. Curry, way downtown.
No, it's good!
You're bringing drugs. You're bringing crime.
They're bringing drugs. They're bringing crime.
We are building a wall.
Have to start by building a wall. What do you think is wrong with you? I'm sick.
Yo.
You know what? He just left. Yeah.
You must be Bruce. I've been expecting you.
What'd you do?
I bypassed the compressor.
Houston, we've had a problem.
Okay. Roads? Where we're going, we don't need roads.
Meanwhile.
And here we go. A matchup of great strikers. Oh, he caught him early.
I think my triggering mechanism...